NVDA is expected to bring in $28.737 billion when it reports earnings. So I thought I would take a look at the 5-minute time frame and give you some targets. We ended the day at $128.30, up 1.46%. To the north side from where we are takes us to one level of resistance and a potential take profit area at roughly 130.94. Above that takes us to 3 standard deviations, 132.26. And should we be so lucky as to get to 4 standard deviations, that will take us to another level of resistance and a potential take profit area as well, 133.58. Heading south, VWAP takes us to 127.63 in the blue. Below that, at another level of support and another potential buy-in area, 125.45, 124.09, and 122.75. Looking left, this gap that opened up on Thursday, the 22nd, is no longer in play. It touched today, August the 27th, and this is no longer a threat to our account to the south side. So if you were patient, this thing ran up, fell back down, went back up to resistance, touch this clear sell area if that's what you're trying to do, take profit, and then all the way back down to here. So let me delete that and that. And as far as the next gap to the south side, that will take us to here to 109.17, and then below that 104.78. But fortunately, we are on an upward channel on the 5-minute time frame. Now, if you flip it to the 15, to the hourly, the 4-hour, the daily, you'll get different buy and sell signals. The 1-year price target is 142.63, which represents an 11% return from where we are. So this has been revised upward from the last time I looked at it on August the 15th, right here, for the price target. The next one I want to go over very quickly is the QQQs. On the 5-minute time frame, you can see we've started to crack down and we reach support for a bounce here. So first up, your price targets. 479.01, 480.84, and roughly 482.55. To the south side, the middle of the trend and the baseline takes us to 475.43. Another level of support and a potential buy-in area as well, 471.79, 469.99, and 468.11. This gap is still in play to the downside. We opened it up on the 15th, so that will take us to $468.41 and closes out 463.63. Sometimes you don't catch these moves to the south side. Put in a buy order if it's something that you like to do, because sometimes when you see it, it's too late. You cannot get in. And then there's another potential gap fill to the south side here at roughly 455.68, closing out at 451.47. So the last time I looked at it, price was at 450.41. We made our way grinding upward, hit resistance, and now we are falling back and potentially just retracing to the downside. And then we've got this as well. So plenty of opportunities to go to the south side on the QQQs. This is the 5-minute time frame. Again, roll over to the different time frames, and you will get different buy and sell signals. That is a look at the triple Qs, NVDA, and congratulations if you are in SBUX as well. I'm in this one for my mom. And since I am here, why don't I just quickly give you a bonus chart technical analysis. 98.60 is where we are, still in an upward channel on the 5. So we're looking at 98.78, 99.20, and 99.63. 97.98, VWAP is 97.46. Here's another potential buy-in area at 97.15, 96.71, and 96.32. So we've got a gap here, but we are moving farther away from it, fortunately. And then we've got this big bopper to the downside here at 77.03, and apparently I bought in at 20 in 2022. I don't know if I still have this. I have to check for the green lines, my sell lines. Yeah, so I might be out, but I do have some for my mom, and I'll recap that later. Have a great trading day, and hopefully you'll make some money off of NVIDIA.